Hi everyone, I thought I'd just share my last mod I've done to the MD500. As you can see, I've fitted a navigation light system from Austrian company Unilight. This is the control box here. There's some Y connectors for the different routes it takes, and it runs off the 850 milliamp 2-cell battery. All I have to do is plug it in and they work. Okay, the lighting system is consisting of navigation lights, so one here and one here. Then we have the strobe light, white strobe light on the top, the white strobe light on the back, and then underneath I have a white beacon, red beacon, which flashes only once. Okay, and here's the addition of the landing lights. I may do one as a landing light, one as a strobe. I'll see how it looks once it's all wired up. Quite an easy install, thanks to the fuselage of the canopy. They had recesses already marked, so it was only a matter of drilling through, and it's quiet. This is not what you see at the bottom is not built up with silicone or anything. That's the fiberglass coming through, so it was easy to mount these. I've just put a little bit of silicone around them to hold them in place. Just tidy the wiring up. Just put a couple of tight wire clips to the bottom, and it's good to go. Okay, as you can see now, I've just put a couple of sticky back cable ties down, these two black ones. I like to keep my cables neat and in a run, just so they're not flopping about and going into the mechanics of the heli. So that's ready for installation.